you prepare. You Amaro Barondo woman, you prepare. Nabameleke woman, you prepare. Yaounde woman, you prepare. Douala woman, you prepare yourself. Naritina we El Chick Echondon, the Terwi. If you want to marry a country woman, prepare. You want to prepare. Nanga very easy, prepare. You want to marry bakwere woman, prepare. You want to prepare, manambusa, prepare. Anywhere you go to marry the woman, now the same enjoyment and the same trouble. Woman a woman is a woman. No matter the tribe, no matter the color, she can do and she can undo. When I don't understand, I'm so now so it happen. Now so the thing day. Countryman, countrywoman. We go tell una about some girl we born in Pidgin since 17 years. That girl never see that Pidgin. Wait it happen. We go to for una all the thing the way it happen for day. We go also tell una the name for woman way win Miss Côte d'Ivoire. Wait to be name. We go to the story for una. And then some girl, he complain say he don't go for hospital. They don't carry EDC, backside car and go up. That's why they call us say BBL. If backside go up, so they go up for some way. He almost died. And then we tell una too about open for African competition where judo card and play Cameroonian. They get plenty medal. And then countryman, countrywoman, we go talk with Napalabandamba, M10 Elite 1. He continue, he can't finish. Now that. Now Cameroon, they go see who be champion. They don't already know who be champion. They go see what will happen. They know what will happen. They go see other competition them. They know say MTN can't quit. That's so it did. Now we'll start with this one. Now some press release they call for Big France. He say communique. The communique na Secretary General for Cameroon Football Federation. He write up. He said they inform the sporting public and all the other people will be concerned. Say the 32nd day, the final for Cameroon Cup edition 2025 will play according to the program. In the Wednesday when it comes so, the 2nd of July. When I don't say new month tomorrow now. For center for this technical center for Fekafood for Oja. For 1 p.m. Canon for Yaounde go play against IS Fortuna. IS Fortune for Bengbis. At the club that. And then for 3 p.m. Colomb for Ja and Lobo go play with the Academy FC for Nyom 2. And then for the Excellence Center for CAF own center for that side for Bankomo. For 1 p.m. AS Fortuna for Fu go play against 4th Azure FC. And then for 3 p.m. Panther Sportif Fondé go play with Emle de Botico. Emle Botkos. Now the name that he trumpet here. And then for Municipal Stadium for that side for Betois, the land of the rising sun. For 1 p.m. Aigle for Mongo go play against Ngandere FC. And then for 3 p.m. Gazette FA for Garoua go play against FA Sport Academy. And then for that side for Municipal Stadium for Melon. For go that side for WhatsApp. For 1 p.m. Bamutus for Munda go play against Titanic FC Sama. Or 3 p.m. Dynamo for Douala go play against Victoria United for Limbe. And then for Municipal Stadium for Bamenzi and for WhatsApp. For 1 p.m. 4th Azure for Yaounde go play against Dream Team for Bamenda. 1 p.m. now at 3 p.m. PW for Bamenda go play against Foundation Mintak FC. And then for that side for Sikam Stadium now for Douala so for 1 p.m. Les Astros for Douala go play against Authentic FC for Douala. And then 3 p.m. Stade Renard for Melon will play against Fako United for Bouya. And then for that side for Municipal Stadium for Edea. For 3 p.m. Union Sportif for Douala will play against Scissors FC for Kribi. Scissors FC, that means na Scissors. And then now for Thursday, what will take place for this Thursday? Now for that technical center for Oja, for Yaounde, Fekafood technical center. 1 p.m. Tonnet Kalara Club, he go play against Hirondelle FC for Mangolo Macaque. For 3 p.m. Atlantic for Kribi go play against Stade de Banjul. And then for CAF Excellence Center for Yaoundé Mankomo, for 1 p.m. Union for Abombang, he go play against International Sporting. And then for 3 p.m. Aigle for Menoir, he go play against Bonis FC for Betois. We get now another ball for Municipal Stadium for Betois. For 1 p.m. AS Fab for Yaoundé go play against Chateau FC for Mora. For 3 p.m. Coton Sport for Garoua go play against Vision Food AA for Yaoundé. For Stadium, Municipal Stadium for Melon again for the Thursday. For 3, now one will start with 1. For 1 p.m., Avion Academy go play against Royal Funka. And then 3 p.m., Your Sport Academy, he go play against Olympique de Dibombari. And then for Municipal Stadium for Banjul, for 1 p.m., Dragon for Yaoundé go play against So United. For 3 p.m., Racine for Bafoussam go play against Renaissance for noon. And then for Bamenzi Municipal Stadium, Thursday still, 1 p.m., Bafmen United go play against New Style for Bameka. And then for 3 p.m., Apejes Fonfu go play against Option Sport for Bamenda. For Friday, March Dende, the 4th of July, a day for each place for this technical center for Fekafood for Odza. 1 p.m. Isosha for Limbe go play against Shamba Sport. 3 p.m. Unisport for Onkam go play against Mintak FC, where it didn't for that side for Upper Sanaga. And then for Municipal Stadium for Betois for Friday, for 1 p.m. FC Yaoundé 2 go play against Sahel FC for Maroua. And then 3 p.m. Football Club for Baham go play against Mintak FC for that side for Grand Nord. Now so the team they will concern, they program them countryman, country women. Another story a day will give you now result and the classification after the 5th day of play for this playoff MTN Elite 2. Now playoff than that. We'll get the result for now. The first result, then we'll get up for here. It shows say playoff up and playoff down. Now that. Vian Academy, he lost 1-5 from Kitunja Football Club. That means Kitunja Football Club. Inaka 1 bunja, 2 bunja, 3 bunja, 4 bunja, 5 bunja. Na so Kitunja he win that match. Tone Kalara Club, he play 0-0 draw with the Atlantic Sport Academy for Kribi. Bavman United, he win Edding Sport for that side for Leke 1-0. And then Aigle Royal for Menoir, he win Unisport for Onkam 2-1. Then for the playoffs down, Fuvu for Baham and Unisport, Union Sportif for Bombang, they play sote 85 minutes. When I saw na see what happen for that match, we player then should go down. They say then they play them again. What happen? Homologation will take place for see what happen. Apejas from Fu he lost against Racine for Bafoussam 0-1. AS Fab for Yaoundé he lost 2-0 for Isosha for Limbe. Now so it take place. Now the classification now for playoffs for MTN Elite 2024-2025 season. Classification for playoffs down. Most of playoffs down. Apejas now number 1 with 9 points. AS Fab for Yaoundé now number 2 with 9 points. They don't play 5 match. The Apejas don't play at 4. Racine for Bafoussam number 3 with 8 points. Don't play na 4 match. US Bombang in number 4 he get 5 points. Don't play 4 match. And then for Red Zone na Football Club for Baham, FC Yaoundé 2 is social for Limbe. Now the classification that for 1 week concern playoff down. And then for playoffs up, first team na Aigle for Menoir 15 points. Unisport for Onkam 12 points. Then when I notice now only 2 teams they go up now, you get champion and then number 2. So for now, so if they live they play with dinner, so na Aigle Royal for Menoir it go with Unisport for Onkam. Now they go up. So number 3 in Atlantic SA 8 points. Tone Kalara Club 7 points. Avion Academy 6 points. Kitunja Football Club 4 points. Bafme United 4 points. Edding Sport for Leke 1 point. So now the classification that we concern playoff up I don't give una playoffs down, and then I don't give una two the result for all the match way they play am. So na so a day for that way concern MTN Elite 2 way they continue for player now for no team way he go for first division, and then other team way he go fall down. I go fall down. Now so the team day for the Palaba Ndamba. Countrywoman. Mo no say anything the work so body work fine, and then plenty people they like and they go for fee. We decide to fee the flop, supporter they come up for support their team them. Now that kind of one way we support for the encourager. Mo left Palaba Ndamba now if una want them. Yes, una want to only Palaba Ndamba. Or una want say we talk about Clinton J and Samuel Eto'o they meet up over the weekend, and then with the how they call it Zambo and Gisa. They meet up over the weekend they play so they are 2-0 no. That kind of my cash board them no. Another kind of board them, other kind of board for that kind of board them no. When I saw the thing they meet up, the picture every day, publish a picture, or see the picture, fine picture them for Cameroon picking them where they like themselves, they meet up, they talk their matter, and so the thing it happen. Now countrywoman. Mo tori, mo na understand what are the thing correct so. This girl, a born town with 16 years. As he born a pikin with 16 years, what happen? Na say, a cousin tell he say, how will he go school? Me send that pikin for him, me show the pikin, me take care for the pikin, me continue his school. Now the girl, his papa, take the pikin, go give him for his cousin. He say, when the pikin be there 1 year, 3 months, they go give am for the cousin. The cousin take the pikin for the take care for the pikin. Since where that pikin there for that cousin, so take a reach tomorrow. They don't want to see that pikin, the cousin only tonton. Now 17 years this so. 17. Let me say the mommy for the pikin don't big, he don't turn a woman. He want to see a pikin, they don't want to miss him. They tontoni. Even if papa, when we go get that pikin, you know they understand. He said they want to see the pikin, they hide them. When he bring the pikin, now he can't give the pikin. No, we say the first see. Now he don't turn on a mangulungu ngwete. Now problem not enter for the matter. He don't go before we the drug sote. Now that lawyer where they call he say Charlotte Chakunte. Now he carry the matter now for go before. May they talk how it happen with the pikin, where the pikin they, why they don't want to make they see the pikin and all that thing. I don't say that way judge. Baby lawyer go enter, our lawyer don't enter the matter. That way judge go enter for judge the matter for say bam, that cause you go know what will happen. Because man of give you pikin, even for see the pikin, it turn a trouble. You know want to see the pikin? You know want to see pikin will give you? The one a baby had to control. This thing it don't pass my power. I didn't understand the kind of matter because I don't think the matter. Think and so they. The matter don't pass me. Say you born your pikin. Your cousin say, how will you go school? Maybe give me my take care for the pikin. Your family say, okay, no problem. Now find idea. They will take care for the pikin. Now either they take care for the pikin. You want to see the pikin, it turn a trouble. Say you know see the pikin. You want to see them, they turn. You want to go up, you want to go down, they turn. Wonderful paraba. This one, it don't pass me. Another story there. Abola dingala batabando. The one na so mawe it play na 419. 419 we say be lawyer. He go for that side for court for police for no region. It is judge matter for day. They discover it for day. Yeah, people they get to. If you don't go to school for law and then you never finish for be lawyer, which be the matter way you carry yourself, you give way close, they say be lawyer. Which be the matter? And I want to understand. You never court, you pretend say be lawyer. You pretend, you show yourself, you show off say I be lawyer. The law number, article this and that. It talk say, article this, it talk say. Now that for police side, they can't discover it. Say, he no be lawyer. Yeah. They put hand for you. They put hand for you. Now so it is now for inside hand for authority then. The one na balaba accident. The accident happened yesterday. For that side for Ngeme for Limbe. What happened for Ngeme for Limbe? Some bike will be the transport 3 passengers then. 2 women then. Some moto 4-4. That means a 4-wheel drive. Ikpararam. As we talk, all the 3 passengers them for that bike, the Quara. I say the Quara. You see the bike. The bike, it don't be for way. You know that kind of game or from game side. Where they tell you say people they be on top bike then 3. And then 4-4 in the pass, 4-wheel drive in the pass, wide one. He enter. Oh la 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 la. Where a thing will happen. Now some terrible thing, countryman, countrywoman. Now so that young girl, which the driver, the other one them, they lost their life. Now 2 young girl they be for back that bike. 2 young girl for that bike with the driver. Now so they don't lost their life for hospital after that accident. The thing will talk now so because there's some kind news this way. Man, the one talk I mean, you don't fear type. You must fear type because you come up for go some place, you don't know what they happen for you. You want to see in your own that you meet up for road. Where Asia for all the family, Asia for all them, Asia. And then so that what happened for that side for Monte, for my shake career for Douala. Now yesterday morning too, where they carry some this Mazembe them. You know the Mazembe the way they walk out, the thief bike them, thief all in them. They don't try to thief some money bensikin. Now that they take it for Dombele, for like for last air. They try it happen for you. No man, no go like them. The picture them they. Now I kind of picture them. So I talk so now understand the Kwarai one time for that side. Now so it happened. Ready to go thief. Say one eat the thief now only bike. Wakati bike. You know he road go end for some place for that side for Monte Carrier. So now so the thing happened, countryman, countrywoman. As una see so. I always tell you now. Say each time I come for you before I want go, I tell you one or say if una see my back, una no say my belly it dey for before. But before I want go, I will leave una with the one. My girl school it is sing with that Gabonese girl with the call say Chanel. Na hear am.